Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we cascaded different variables in Power Automate. In this video, we will learn to use number type variables, that is integer and float type variables in Power Automate. Let's get started. We will go to Power Automate and create an automated cloud flow. We are using this trigger when a new response is submitted. We are using the charity form here. We are adding another action to get the response details of the charity form. Now we are initializing a variable here. Its name is donated amount and its type is integer. As the value of amount submitted through charity form is of type string, so we will use expression to convert it into integer type. We are adding another variable here. Its name is donated amount after including text. We have taken its type as integer and for its value we are using expression. In expressions we are using multiply expression to multiply the donated amount value with a certain value. To confirm that this flow will work with integer type variable, let's test it. Clearly, we can see that this flow is not working with integer type variable. We need to change it to float type. Now we will convert it into float type in both the variables. After converting it into float type, we are adding a new action here, that is post a message in a chat or channel. In the message content, we will use the dynamic values of both the variables to see the difference between the two. Now we will continue to save and test this flow. The person's name is Prashant and he is submitting an amount of 2000 rupees. Here our flow ran successfully. Received this confirmation message on Teams, which means our flow is executed successfully. That's it. In the next video, we will learn to write data to Excel using Power Automate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.